So why choose an SBA loan? I get asked that often, and it's quite frankly, it comes down to the terms and conditions. It's a much better loan program for most small businesses because it gives you a much longer repayment term. Oftentimes, it's the difference between a 5-year repayment and a 10-year for business acquisitions or working capital. It could be the difference between a 15-year amortization and a 25-year amortization for owner-occupied commercial real estate. So it's a beneficial product in that regard. It also has much lower down payment, which is really important for a small business owner to keep their precious capital. So it frequently is half, if not a third, of the down payment required from an ordinary conventional bank when they're doing financing. So again, very beneficial to a small business owner. It also has no loan covenants, which is critical in a shrinking economy when banks try to kick small business owners out of their portfolio if they don't particularly like a particular industry. And it does happen, unfortunately. So when you just make your payments to your lender for your SBA loan and you report your financials annually, you're really in no risk of your loan being called like you may have that situation if you have a conventional loan. So those are three of the big reasons that you'd want to use an SBA loan. And we've seen a tremendous amount of success from our borrowers who have chosen an SBA loan over a conventional loan because of all these superior terms and conditions. And by the way, I haven't mentioned interest rate, but the interest rate is very competitive with an SBA loan to conventional loans, and certainly more competitive to some of the other options that are out there, whether it's merchant cash advances or factoring or other things like that, that have a much, much higher interest rate than what you would pay with an SBA loan.